Bringing joy to others, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful phrase that's close to many of our hearts: bring joy to others. This simple yet profound idea can make a big difference in the world. So, whether you're learning English or just looking to spread a little happiness, you're in the right place. Let's explore what it truly means to bring joy to others and how we can make it a part of our daily lives. The phrase, bring joy to others, is composed of three main components: bring, joy, and others. To bring means to carry, convey, or lead something to someone. Joy refers to a feeling of great pleasure and happiness, and others simply means people besides oneself. Combined, these words encourage us to act in ways that lead to other people experiencing happiness and pleasure. You might wonder why it's important to focus on bringing joy to others. The reason is twofold. Firstly, it creates a positive environment where everyone feels valued and happy. This can lead to stronger relationships, better communication, and a supportive community. Secondly, it's beneficial for our own well-being. Studies have shown that making others happy can also increase our own happiness and satisfaction in life. It's a win-win situation. Bringing joy to others doesn't have to be a grand gesture. Even small acts of kindness can make a big difference. Here are some simple ways to get started. 1. Smile and offer kind words. A genuine smile and a few kind words can brighten someone's day. 2. Listen actively. Sometimes, just being there to listen to someone can be incredibly comforting. 3. Help without being asked. If you see someone struggling, offer your help. It could be as simple as holding the door open or helping carry a heavy load. 4. Give compliments. Notice and vocalize the good in people. A sincere compliment can boost someone's confidence. 5. Spend quality time. In our busy lives, giving someone your undivided attention is a precious gift. When we make an effort to bring joy to others, the impact can be far-reaching. Not only does it improve the day-to-day lives of those around us, but it also fosters a culture of kindness and compassion. Over time, these individual acts of kindness add up, creating a ripple effect that can transform communities. Moreover, it helps us to develop empathy and understanding, strengthening our connections with those around us. Bringing joy to others is a powerful way to not only enrich the lives of those around us but also enhance our own happiness and sense of fulfillment. It's about finding joy in the happiness of others and understanding that our actions, no matter how small, can have a significant impact. We hope this video inspires you to spread joy in your daily interactions. Remember, every smile, every kind gesture, contributes to a happier, more connected world. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing more insights and inspiration to you. Stay joyful.